Good morning, children. Today start the class for third standard maths term 2. I hope you everyone understand the concept for term 1 and written the test very good, children. Some children not written the test, but I hope you now term 2 everyone should attend the class and continue in your classwork and write the test. Okay. This is your term 2 textbook, Maths book, term 2, volume 2. The second term you studied for numbers, pattern, measurement, time, information processing. Shall I move now? First one topic. First term you studied this one, numbers, number names, place value, underline the place value, expanded form, short form, addition and subtraction. But here you continue for second term, numbers, unit 1, numbers. Okay, this is saying your multiplication. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. You studied for now term 2 numbers. Already you studied the first term addition, subtraction. Now you do for multiplication. Okay, children, previous year you studied for second standard tables. That one remember, once again recall you. This one help to do the sum for multiplication. Here given the example 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to. Already you learned for addition. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So 12 is the answer. So repeatedly you do the addition. Write the return method here, multiply. So this one is a multiplication. So 4 3s are. 4 is given for 3 times. So you write the 3. 4 3s are 12. So multiplication is a quicker way to add the number occurring repeatedly. Okay. So the symbol of multiplication is into. This one is a multiplication symbol. Okay, children, you understand this one concept? So here using the trees, 1 2 3 4 trees, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So one box, this one box is saying here group. Here saying for group. So how many trees here? 4 trees in a one group. So how many group is given to you? 1 2 3 4 5 groups. So here 4 trees in 5 groups is totally counted. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So total tree how many is here? 20. This can be written as 4 trees, 5 groups as. So 4 5s are 20. Okay, children, you understand the concept? This one for the multiplication. Multiplication here given for MUTI, multiplication, PLICATIY, multiplication. So the symbol of multiplication is using for into. Okay, children? You see for number of trees in each group. So before that you start. How many trees? 4 trees. Number of trees in each group, 4 trees. Then next one, number of groups, 5 groups. So total number of trees 20. 4 5s are 20. Total number of trees. So number of trees is saying here multiplicand. Number of groups is multiplier. Total number of trees is product. Okay, you understand this concept? Multiplication is having for three numbers. Here, first one is multiplicand, multiplier, then product. 4 5s are 20. Okay, then multiplication is using for 5 methods: dot multiplication, repeated addition, regrouping, standard multiplication algorithm, lattice multiplication. So here given for dot multiplication. Complete the following tables. Here given for the stars, then number of horizontal rows, number of vertical columns, total number of stars. So first one example given to you. 1 2 3 4. The 4 lines, vertical 4 lines. Then horizontal rows for 1 and 2. How many rows? 2 rows. How many vertical lines? 1 2 3 4. So 4 lines. So vertical lines for 4, horizontal line for 1 2. So 2 4s are. So write the multiplication is total number of stars. 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8. Then next one you do for 1 2 3 4. So how many rows, horizontal rows? 4 rows. How many stars? 1 2 3. How many vertical line? 3 lines. So how many horizontal line? 1 2 3 4. 4 horizontal line. Vertical line 1 2 3. So 3. So you write for total number 4 3s are. 4 3s are. So count it totally. How many is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 4 3s are 12. You write the answer is 4 3s are 12. Then next one. How many rows? 1 2 3 rows. How many vertical line? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 vertical line. So totally 3 5s are. Already you studied for second standard 3 tables and 5 tables. So easy to find out. Recall once again tables, children. Then only you ready to say the answer. 3 5s are 15. Then next one. How many horizontal rows? 1 2 3. 3 rows. How many vertical rows? 1 2. So 2. 3 2s are. 3 2s are equal to 6. Okay. This method is saying for dot multiplication. Okay children, you understand the concept? I show now in your classwork and completed this. Today class is completed for this topic dot multiplication now. Then shall I move now? Repeated addition. So this is your term 2 classwork, unit 1 numbers. First you write the definition for multiplication. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. Then first one point, we use the symbol of into to represent multiplication. Multiplication is a quicker way to add the number occurring repeatedly. Example here. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12. We add 4 3 times and the answer is 12. This can be written as 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. Okay, multiplicand. This one 4 is a multiplicand, 3 is a multiplier, 12 is a product. Okay, this is the kinds of way to do the multiplication. Dot multiplication, repeated multiplication, regrouping, standard multiplication algorithm, lattice multiplication. Okay children, this one write in your classwork for dot multiplication. Then next one, Shall I move now? Repeated addition. So first one, find the total number of flowers. Find the total number of flowers. Here given the flowers for one box is having for 1, 2, 3 flower. 1, 2, 3 flower. 1, 2, 3 flowers. So right now the total number of flowers 3 plus symbol is given here. So write the symbol for plus. Again 3. Again 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. So totally how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total is 9 flowers. So how to write this one? 3 groups. Each group having for 3 flowers. Make total for 9 flower. So this is the writing method of multiplication. Fact 3 3s are 9. Okay. This one is written the fact. This one addition fact. This one multiplication fact. Okay children. Then second sum. Find the total number of leaves. So here leaves is given here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups, 4 kinds of leaves is given here. So you do for, how to do this one? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So you do the addition symbol. That one is called here addition fact. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is saying here addition fact. Addition fact. So addition fact, you get the answer is totally how many leaf is here? 16. Then next one, multiplication fact. You write the way 4 is all the groups having for the 4 leaves. So how many groups is given here? 4 groups. So 4 leaves, 4 groups equal to 16. Then next one. How many apple are there in a plate? 4 plate is given here. So one plate is having for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apple. 1, 2, 3, 4 plates is given here. So first you find out addition fact. So 5, 5, 5, 5. Addition means use the symbol for plus. Then totally you get for 20. Then same method using your multiplication fact. Each plate having for 5 apple. So write the number first 5. Then how many plates is here? 4 plates. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 4s are 20. 20 is the answer. So this one is the repeated addition method. So easy to find out this one method to do the multiplication fact also. Okay. Construction of multiplication tables. Okay. You already studied for second standard 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table and 10 table. Again, how to form the table. Here given this, how to form the tables. First one, each boxes have 2 balls. That one is write the number for repeated addition. The next one, multiplication fact. Okay. First one, how many balls is here? 1, 2. So write the number 2. So 2 is given how many times? Only one group. So 2 ones are 2. Then next one, 1, 2 balls. One group, 2 group. So write for 2 plus 2. 2 2s are totally how many balls? 4 balls. Then next one, 2, 2, 2. So 3 groups is given here. So write for 2 plus 2 plus 2. So write the answer is 2 3s are. How many times? All the balls is having for 2 only. Groups is given for 3 groups. So 2 3s are 6. The next one. 4 times is given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 balls. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So each one 2 ball. 4 groups is given here. 2 fours are 8. Then same method here use now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So 5 groups is having 2 balls. So 2 5s are 10. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. So 2 is how many times? 6 times. So you get for 12. Totally 12 balls is here. Count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 2 balls is here. So 2 sevens are 14. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So 8 times having for 2 balls. So 2 8s are here only added for 1. 7 after 8. So 14 after you added for 2. 14 plus 2, 16. So this is for 2 skip counting. 12. 12 after 2, 14. 14 after 2, 16. Then next one. 2. Next number. 8 after 9. So 16 plus 2. So this one 2 balls is added. So you add for 16 plus 2, 18. Then next one, last one. 2 tables, 2 balls. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. So 18 plus 2 you added and get now 20. Totally you count it and get for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So totally 20 balls. So this is the 2 table. You understand the concept, children? How to construct the tables? Fill in the boxes. Already you studied for 2 tables. Easy to write the answer now. 2 6 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So first you say the tables and find out the number. Okay children? 9 2s are. Say the table again. 2 table, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, up to 9 times. So 2 9s are 9 2s are 18. Okay. 3 2s are 6. 7 2s are 14. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. Okay. You learn the 2 table thoroughly. Whenever asking the product or as the question, you are ready to say the answer. This is saying here fill in the boxes. Boxes is given to you. So you find out the product. Okay children. Multiplication, you get the answer is called for product. Okay. We will learn for multiplication of 3 tables. Multiplies of 3 skip counting. You practice in your home and we will learn for next class. Okay children. Thank you.